Let me say something that might sound wrong. Saving money can actually make you poorer. Not because saving is bad, but because where you're saving matters more than you think. If your money is sitting in a traditional savings account, you are losing purchasing power every single year, quietly, and most people don't even realize it. We've already talked about inflation stealing your money, subscriptions draining your cash flow, bank fees quietly taxing you. But today is different. Today we're talking about something that feels responsible: saving. The thing we were told to do. And why, in today's economy, it might not be enough. Let me be clear, saving is important. Emergency funds matter, stability matters. But here's the problem. Most traditional savings accounts earn around 0.01% to 0.5%. Inflation averages around 2–3% and sometimes much higher. That means, even if your balance stays the same, its buying power shrinks. Let's make this real. You have $10,000 in savings. Your bank pays 0.5% interest. That's $50 per year. Sounds fine, right? But if inflation is 3%, your money loses $300 in purchasing power. You earned $50, you lost $300. That's a net loss of $250. And you didn't touch the money. This is why people get confused. They look at their balance. It didn't go down, so they think they're safe. But wealth is not about the number in your account. It's about what that number can buy. And over time, it buys less. This hits immigrants and first-generation families especially hard, because many of us grew up hearing, "Put your money in the bank. Save everything. Don't take risks." That advice made sense decades ago. But today, money sitting still is money falling behind. You worked hard for that money. It shouldn't shrink quietly. Now listen carefully. Savings accounts are not evil. They have a purpose. They are for emergency funds, short-term expenses, stability, liquidity. They are not for long-term wealth, retirement growth, beating inflation. And this is where most people get stuck. They confuse safety with growth. Here's the twist. People think investing is risky, but leaving money in low-yield savings for 20 years, while inflation eats away at it, that is also risk. It's invisible risk. It feels safe, but over time, it quietly costs you thousands. Wealthy people don't keep large sums in traditional savings accounts. They keep emergency money liquid, the rest invested. Because they understand one thing: money must grow faster than inflation, or it's losing. This doesn't mean move everything tomorrow. It means understand the job of each dollar. Some dollars protect you. Some dollars grow for you. If all your dollars are just sitting, none of them are building wealth. Here's what you can do. Step 1. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Not traditional, high-yield. Step 2. If you have money beyond that, start learning about index funds, retirement accounts, employer 401k, match, long-term investing. You don't need to become an expert overnight. You just need to stop letting all your money sit still. Let me say this clearly. You are not wrong for saving. You are responsible. But responsibility without strategy limits growth. The goal isn't just to avoid losing money. The goal is to make money work for you. Inflation steals purchasing power. Subscriptions drain your monthly cash. Bank fees tax your behavior. And low-interest savings quietly shrink your long-term wealth. That's why awareness matters. If this made you rethink where your money sits, the next video is critical. Where rich people put their money while you save. Because once you understand why savings accounts aren't enough, the next question is, so where should it go? If you're an immigrant or first-generation family trying to break financial cycles, subscribe. This channel is about clarity, and clarity builds wealth.